We will now talk about preventive maintenance forecasting. If you're a production supervisor, you would utilize this to know what PM is outstanding and what has been completed on a sector you look after. For example, the roll line for a bread factory. If you look after the roll line, you would see all the machines underneath the roll line. You would see what PM they have outstanding and what has been completed. If you're a maintenance supervisor, you would look after probably all the preventive maintenance and you would see what is left outstanding and prioritize it in order to get as much of it possible done. So you start off by clicking on IP24, which is PM forecasting. Once you're here, there's a couple of things you got to realize that you need to fill out. The first thing you got to fill out is what you wish to look at for PM. You have an option of clicking on function location, which is basically you select the roll line. In this case, I'll put the plant, which is 2503, which is Moncton, and then roll, which is how I divided the roll line. Another option you have is to look by equipment. So if I knew the equipment number for, let's say, a bread oven or a roll oven, I would insert it here. And the last thing is to input the date range which I wish to see the PM for. In this case, I will see for the entire month of September. So I will select from September 1st till September 30th. In this case, I will leave it wide open and I'll see all the PM that is outstanding for September. You press now execute right here. Now here we can see a list of all the outstanding PM for the month of September. As we can see here, the top one is a sanitation PM for Moncton. Here's the work order numbers. Here's the dates when they should have been done on the 19th and the 26th. And here's the dates when they were actually done. They were completed on the 18th and they were completed on the 20th. So it looks like these were completed early and they were completed by Doug. The next one will be the roll oven. The roll oven had a PM on the 18th and on the 25th. They were both completed on the 20th and they're both completed by Ernie. You could look at any notes that might exist with these PMs. If I click here and then I click here, I could look at all the notes. Please do not make sure this blows up. There is a note there. If we look at another one, like the Model K, and we click on the notes, you can see the notes are grease machine, replace scrapers, oil levels, and compressor. If we look at the sanitation, we could click on the notes to see what is to be done. And you can see it says make sure it is on charger, ensure there is water in the tank, check the brushes, add soap. As I now know that what outstanding PM there was, whether it was completed or not, and I also know who worked on it, and furthermore I know what was done by clicking on the long text here, I am now happy to know that everything has been completed and has met my expectations. That is all for PM forecasting.